Add your pork chops in there. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. And this edition of Cooking with Talessia Kitchen is kind of different. So let me give you the background of it before I tell you what we about to cook. So for I'd say about 15 and 16 years, I had stopped eating pork. Well, I won't say all pork. I still ate pepperonis, and I probably still ate the sausages, like, you know, the pork sausage that might come from McDonald's, you know, that have, or a hot dog, it has pork in it. But as far as like ribs, ham, and stuff like that, I had completely stopped eating that for like 15, 16 years. Pork chops was my favorite. You know how you got a favorite piece of meat? Like, it wasn't chicken wings, wasn't even my favorite. Pork chops was my favorite, especially the fat that come on the bone. That is just the best part when you're frying a pork chop. So I was over my grandmother's house in December, and someone there, they was frying a pork chop. I'm like, let me taste this again, see if I can eat it. Because I remember one time I did try a rib a couple years back, and it kind of made me sick. So I was kind of scared to eat the pork chop. And I'm like, listen, people eat pork all their life, all that. I don't eat pork, and this, that. Listen, whatever. So I ate the pork chop, and I ate two. It was so freaking good. I ate two of them. So I said, no, I ate two of the bone part, because I had them break me open because I wanted the fat part. I ate two of those. So I said, when I get home, I am going to fry me some pork chops for the first time in 16 years that I actually fried some pork chops. I don't even think I catered no pork chops. No, yeah. About 16 years that I fried a pork chop. So here go the pork chops. You know, probably wondering like, why is it in its bag? Because I was going to separate it yesterday, and it's just me here and my dog. I was going to put two, but then people came in. I mean, people coming over, so they eat it. So my favorite part was the center cut pork chops. That was my favorite part of the pork chop, the center cut. So let me rinse these off, bring them back, and then we can season these. Okay, I need to invest in me in clear bowls so y'all can see that. I don't know how many times I done probably said that on here, but this is the same thing I use to season all my meats. I know there's like a lot of seasoning, but hey, this is how I make mine. You can season yours with whatever you want to season yours with. So, you know, add me some mustard. Gotta do that orange Saigon packets. A little complete seasoning. See, I don't even be really putting that much. This is a lot of seasoning. Slap your mama. Onion powder. Mrs. Dash. Adobo, the red one. Gotta get some more of this. Garlic powder. A little black pepper. A little accent. And adobo Sazon, they got this too. I don't know if this is supposed to be like the orange packet, but it gets the job done for me. Mild chili powder. Y'all be sleeping on the mild chili powder as a seasoning. And some seasoning salt. It's kind of thin slice. Put on your gloves and baby, get the mixing. Baby. Season to perfection. Okay, let me put these seasonings up. Let me get these sides together, and we're going to fry them. Now, I'm going to deep fry mine. You can fry them in a skillet. If you want to eat healthy, you can make them. But let's get this together. Okay, y'all. Y'all don't need to see me. Here goes the pork chop season. Here go my flour. And here go my, I'm deep frying mine. Like I said, you can fry them in a skillet or boil them, whichever way you want. Go ahead. Like 3 can fit it in. Coat it with this flour good. Yep, make sure it is all coated. Go ahead and drop them in your grease. Go ahead and add your pork chops in there. We're gonna come back when this is done. Okay, y'all. Look. Can't look at this. Fried to perfection. Now let's make me something. Now I used to always eat my pork chops, and I eat my turkey chops the same way. I have to have hot sauce, and I have to have A1 sauce. This is how I eat my stuff. You don't have to eat your stuff like this, but let me get this plate together. Got me some sweet peas. I'll also leave a link of how I make my canned sweet peas. I used to hate these as a child too. Okay, y'all. Let me do what I do. Put some hot sauce on here. Remind you, I haven't fried none in about 16 years. It's gonna be really my first time eating like a whole one. Yeah, A1 sauce tastes good on these. Before you start talking shit in the comments, try it. Okay. Why am I acting like I'm just so scared to eat it when I already ate like the bone part? These peas banger. But we ain't here for the peas. Here's the cream. My dog. We're here for the pork chops. Okay. Okay. Y'all, just like I left this 16 years ago. Baby, these are so good. Eat the stuff off the bone. Child. These are banging. Maybe I'll save an insert to see how my stomach felt. But I ate pepperoni, so I probably ain't gotta do all that. But hold on. Ain't nothing like some water, baby. But listen. This meal banging. I'm back to eating pork chops, y'all. I'm back to finding my favorite dinner. My favorite piece of meat. Now I'm mad as hell I stopped 16 years ago. You know I was a little fade, everybody act like they want to eat pork. And I went along with the crap. But honey, let me enjoy this. But if you stop eating something and you started back years later, let me know how you did. Let me know if you gave pork a break. Let me know how y'all fry y'all pork chops. This is so good. This is really good. I'm up here smacking in front of y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. But honey, I got to go. Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, and share, and let me know how y'all make y'all pork chops. But honey, I'm about to smash on these, and I'm about to give me another one. See you.